Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. In the diagram, PT is parallel to QS and QR equal RS. So the important word here that pops out is ratio. So from I see the word ratio, it's telling me that this triangle TQS, because it says ratio, is indeed similar to the triangle PQR. Alright, so here we have a diagram, just breaking them up, right? So PQR and TQRS. So since they use a ratio, then TQS is similar to PQR. Alright, good. Now they're asking us for the area of triangle QS and the ratio of the area of triangle TQS and the area of triangle PQR. Alright, the first thing that I need to find out is what kind of relationship can I establish between any of the sides. Yes, they are similar figures, but can I make a connection between any of the sides? Looking at QR, they say that QR equal RS, right? So from Q to R equal R to S. They are the same length, right? So if QR equal RS, then that means that QR would have been half of QS. Alright? Or you could say QS is twice QR. If from here to here is the same thing as here to here, right? Then that means from here, this part only, right, is going to be half of the entire line. It's going to be half of the entire line, right? So that is telling us, therefore, that QR is half QS, or we can say QS is twice QR. Now that we have established that QS equal to QR, right, then the size of triangle TQS is twice the size of triangle PQR, which therefore means that the ratio of triangle TQS, the ratio of triangle TQS in length to the ratio of triangle PQR is 2 to 1, right? Therefore, if the ratio is 2 to 1, and we're asked to find the area of the ratios of this triangle to the area of the ratio of that triangle, we're just looking at lengths here, right? So that gives us 2 to 1. So if we're looking at area, it is going to be the square of the ratios. So we square it. So 2 square gives us 4, and 1 square gives us 1. Therefore, our answer is D. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.